Let's take a look at these equations. We're supposed to find value of x for each of them. So what we're supposed to do first, convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. And simply write 4 to the second power is equal x. So I can write that x is equal 4 to the second power is equal 16. This is the solution to my problem. Keep in mind, x must be always positive. 16 is positive, that's why this is correct answer. The same story is going to happen over here. I have to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. 2 to the fifth is equal x. So x is equal 32. Domain is positive. My answer is correct. Again, I have to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. So I have 3 to the fourth is equal x. X is equal 81. 81 is positive. The domain of my logarithm is positive. That's why this is correct answer. So these are the solutions to my problems.